There are now at least 3 major options if you want the gelatin trick benefits: make it yourself at home, try JellyThin, or try JellyTide. I spent 2 weeks researching all 3: ingredients, price, convenience, and what the science actually says. By the end of this video you will know exactly which one makes sense for your situation. Option 1, the classic homemade gelatin trick. 1 tablespoon of unflavored gelatin, 1 cup of warm water, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Total cost, roughly 15 cents per serving. That is basically free. The science here is the strongest of the 3 options. You get actual gelatin that physically gels in your stomach, triggering stretch receptors and GLP-1 production. Studies show 20 to 25% reduction in the portion size at the next meal. Real, measurable effect. The downside, you have to make it every day. 5 minutes of prep, every morning. For some people that is no problem. For others, after 2 weeks, the routine falls apart. Option 2, JellyThin. This is an ACV plus BHB keto gummy. 1 gummy per day. You pop it in the morning and you are done. What it does well: the ACV content is real and provides the blood sugar and satiety benefits that research supports. The BHB ketone salts add a metabolic layer that can support fat burning. And the gummy format is genuinely easy: no prep, no taste issues, no mess. What it does not do: it does not have the physical gelling effect of actual gelatin. You will not get the stomach-stretching satiety signal that the homemade version creates. It is more of a metabolic supplement than a satiety trick. Cost, roughly $2 to $3 per day depending on package. It comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee which removes the financial risk completely. Option 3, JellyTide. Also a gummy. Also ACV plus BHB. So what is the difference from JellyThin? Honestly, on paper, the formulas are very similar. Both use a 525 mg proprietary blend of ACV and BHB salts. The main differences are in pricing, return policy details, and brand support. JellyTide tends to run slightly higher in price per bottle. My take: if you are going the supplement route, I would start with JellyThin because the guarantee terms and pricing are more favorable for first-time buyers. If you try it and it works, great. If not, you are covered. So which one wins? Here is my honest breakdown. Best for maximum satiety effect and lowest cost, the homemade recipe. If you can commit to making it daily, this is the strongest option scientifically. Best for busy people who want daily consistency without prep, JellyThin. The 60-day guarantee means zero financial risk to try it. JellyTide, also legitimate, but for most people starting out, JellyThin is the better entry point. Links to everything are in the description. JellyThin is the affiliate link where I earn a small commission, at zero extra cost to you. That transparency matters to me. Comment below which option you are trying. Like and subscribe for more honest health content. See you next week.